morning, I'm Dave. This is Quarter Flips, a video every day, day 4. Video every day for a week, day 4. I don't know that I'm gonna keep doing a video every day after this. I don't know, it might be smart, but maybe a video every other day. Maybe I'll go back to my old schedule. I don't know. So I'll try to keep it short today. Did I get 10 listings done yesterday? No, I did 24 listings yesterday. And again, it was kind of like the BETCKEY miniatures. I had all these Lego instruction booklets, some of them small, some of them medium, some of them large, 2-book sets. Got these from Picker's Warehouse. I don't remember how far back. I think I showed them in a video before, talking about what I was going to do. I think I paid 45 bucks for the lot of them. And once I got going on these, it was just easy. It was almost the same description for everything. So after pricing and getting the titles down, I was able to get 24 up last night pretty easily. If I sell them for the asking price, I will get just like 172 bucks for all of these and shipping on top, so I don't have to worry about that. So 172 minus whatever eBay fees are and taxes. Yeah, and this isn't everything from that lot. This is just the Star Wars instructions. There's a bunch of other random weirdness in there. I might end up listing all that today just to get rid of it, so I don't have any more of this kind of stuff. I expect this stuff is going to sit for a while. And I guess that's the only thing I was going to talk about today is stuff sitting for a while. eBay has been weird. eBay is a lot different than it used to be. Having, I've done it for a long time, but even in the last few years, I was still seeing this trend, and what I'm going to talk about. Normally, when I list a bunch of items, there's often a sale that happens right away. Like while I'm listing, sometimes someone will I call it jumping at it. Someone will jump at the thing and buy it. And I used to see that quite often. I would think of it as like fishing, like casting out the lure, and just every once in a while it just happens to land right in front of the fish. Boom, you got a strike. Not so much. I haven't sold a single item that I've listed this week yet. And that is weird. And it's miniatures and these Lego things and those plush and some action figures and nothing. eBay is just a different animal these days. And I wonder if people are on other sites. Are they on other platforms? Is the economy that bad? I don't think it is, because I keep selling stuff. Here's what's weird. Like, I'm still selling stuff. It's just stuff that's been listed for a long time. So overnight, I sold 2 DVDs, a CD, and a 7-inch record. 2 things on eBay, 2 things on Discogs. I just complained about Discogs not really doing anything, and then I sold 2 more things on there. But the DVDs have been listed for a long time, and the 7-inch record that I sold, I think that thing's been up for as long as I've had a Discog account. It might be one of the first things I put up for sale on there. It is an old one. So, yeah. Even when you list stuff like this and it doesn't sell right away, and you feel like, what's the point? I'm not making any money. Like a year from now, a bunch of these might sell. At a time when I'm listing a bunch of stuff, getting frustrated because it's not selling. If I didn't have this backlog of older stuff for sale, I wouldn't have had any sales in the last 24 hours. So that's my pep talk to myself. Have you seen this? Have you seen eBay change if you're a seller? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what the answer is. I've heard other sellers say that they have seen changes and that you have to diversify. You've got to get out on other selling platforms. I'm not. I'm on eBay and Discogs, and that's it. So I've said for a long time I need to try to figure out Mercari. Tanya sells on Mercari, and since I'm going to see Tanya, I might as well stack up the things I need to talk to her about. On Saturday, we'll ask her about polybag mailers, and we'll ask her about selling on Mercari and what other platforms she sells on. Maybe I can branch out and add a third. It is very hard for me to do new things, but got to. So I will eventually. It'll happen. Okay, the other thing. Did I work on cleaning the office? I did, but almost nothing. Like if you walked in there, you wouldn't see what I did, but I can tell you it was a big deal. So certain things become like blockages for me. There can be something that feels like it's in my way and I can't get anything else done until that one task is done, but then it's almost like the gate is closed. I just can't get to the task. There's probably a reason for this up here. But one of the things that was in there was a note that I had left myself about something I needed to do in the office to make sure it didn't get out of control. I wrote that note months ago, and the office has only gotten more out of control since. So the note weirdly was blocking me. I ripped that note up and threw it away. Gate is open, right? Okay, I hope so. We'll see. We'll see if I have something to show you at the end of this week in terms of a organized office. But today I'm going to have a lot more time to work on that, so hopefully I can report better progress tomorrow. The other of the two things was just, it was an item I didn't know what to do with. I just had no idea what to do with it, and it just kept sitting in a place that wasn't. It was just sitting out because I needed to figure out what to do with it, and it had been there for months. And today I just threw it in the trash because now I don't have to deal with it, figure out where it goes. And it felt very freeing. I think I'm going to trash a bunch of stuff. Purge time. That was what the note told me to do. I ripped it up, but now I'm going to do it. So that's it. That's all I have to say today. It's a very simple one. We're not even going to leave this room. We're just going to say, I hope somebody buys some Lego Star Wars instruction booklets. What have I done? This is how I spend my time. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you again tomorrow.